Hello everyone, I am going to show you the simple way to find the sample space or all the possible outcomes in probability. Suppose we want to find possible outcomes or sample space in a given event in which we are selecting objects from two containers. We will try to find out by using some simple objects, simple things we are having at our home. So let's start. First of all, I am going to show you what the objects or things we require for this experiment. For this experiment, we need two glasses, one marker, and some simple objects available at home. Let there are 4 objects in one glass or in one container and 3 objects in other container. We are going to show the objects by their colors. We want to select one object from each container or each glass. So different possible outcomes for colors, like here in this case it is white and red. So there are two containers A and B. Container A is having 3 objects of white, red and yellow colors, and container B is having 4 objects. 2 of them are of blue colors, one is of white and one is green. We are taking one object from each container, and as I shown you, those were of red and white color. So one of the outcome is white, red. To get all the possible outcomes, we are using this table. Here container A and here container B. Container A is having 3 objects and container B is having 4 objects like this. To get all the possible outcomes, we will write the color like this is white red, this is white yellow, this is white white. Here blue red, blue yellow, blue white, again blue red, blue yellow, blue white, green red, green yellow, green white. So total 3 into 4, total possible outcomes are 12. To get the probability of white red, number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes, favorable outcomes for white red is 1 and total possible outcome is 12. So probability is 1 by 12. Similarly, if I want to find probability of blue red, this will be 2 favorable outcomes and possible outcomes 12. So probability will be 1 by 6. So in this way we can find total possible outcomes and probability of a particular outcome in this event.